I'm in India now. This is the facility I started with my family in 2006. We make beautiful cotton sheets. Let me show you how. These big rolls of white width fabric are inspected and sent from our dyeing unit. They are stored here and then taken to the layering and the cutting section. We first layer the fabric. The fabric layering is for two reasons. One, to inspect if there are no stains or dirt marks, and two, to be ready for cutting. After cutting, individual sizes are layered and then put on this conveyor belt so nothing touches the ground. Fabric is clean. Each sheet is individually stitched for perfection, for fit and durability. After stitching, we bring the sheets to our inspection table. We do thread cutting, so we cut out any loose threads, and we inspect each piece to make sure they are perfect for your use. From the inspection table, we get the fabric to our folding department. Each of our fitted sheets have the head or foot side indicators. The size is mentioned on each of our sheets. And this is the final stage, where neatly packed sets are packed in paper boxes, no plastic, ready to go. And finally, the sheet sets are packed in corrugated boxes, sent to our distribution centers across the US, waiting for you to place an order